Okay, so let's start. Color therapy, what colors to wear to good health. How many of you have attended my last lecture on food habits and astrology? Only one? Two? Okay, great. So not many. Fine. 3:30. Okay. Yeah. So today, let us start with some activity and some questions. See, all of my presentations are going to be a lot of questions. These questions you have to sort out for yourself. I make no claims whatsoever. This is all experimental. You make the experiment. If you get what results your hypothesis is giving, follow with it. If you don't get the results, don't follow. Yeah. Simple, straightforward experiments. So, we'll start with some physical activity of clapping. How are you going to clap? Not like this. Something like this. Because this clapping is somewhat inefficient. Okay, if you want to clap number of times in a second, you have to do like this. Okay, try. Okay, good. And now put your palms on your eyes and massage your face. Feels nice, right? Okay. When you shake your hands or when you warm up your hands and then put on your face, why do you feel nice? That is a question that you should look into. What do you think? क्या होता है? No idea. क्या होता है? बोलो. No idea. Get idea. Okay. Energy generation. Okay. What else? Yes. We have to know how. Yes. We feel warm. Yes. Definitely. We feel warm. And this principle is also used by our watchmen. So they also know that in the cold season, you have to just heat your hands and then put on your face and you will feel warm. Okay. Why does this happen? This is very interesting. You can read a book by Dr. Ramachandran. He's a neurologist. What he says is 90% of the nerves which are coming out of your head or brain are going to just your face and your hands. So when you warm up your hands and put it on your face, what your brain feels is 90% of your body is warmed up. Okay? And because of that, the body feels nice, the brain feels nice. And that's why we feel nice. Now what is the practical application of this? Direct practical application is the watchmen that we see in very heavy cold. All that they are doing is they are having a small kind of fireplace. They warm up their hands, put them on a face, and with minimum of clothing, they are remaining awake all of the cold night because their brain keeps feeling that the whole of the body is warm. Okay? As simple as that. On the other side, we being not having knowledge in this, in cold season, what we do is in case of our children, we give them full shirts. Yeah? We give them cap. But at the same time, their hands and face are open. So our children feel cold even when they are wearing clothes all over the body. Okay? When they are fully clothed, they feel cold because only the brain feels only 10% body is clothed. 90% body is still cold. You're getting it? So whatever we learn here, there is something to be experimented. Check it out. Next cold season, what you can check it out is just you wear some hand gloves and something on your face. Goggles and something on your face, and then you will see that you don't feel so cold. Okay? So these are the things to experiment. In the same way, whatever you are going to learn today, I have no claims. You experiment. I have experimented with that. I have got the results. You experiment. If you get the results, the experiment is okay for you. If you don't, fine. Yeah. Okay. My introduction, my name is Anand Guriye. Yeah.
What was the color in the hand?
Color of my hands. Okay, pink, always. He's asking because this was the topic that we had taken last time. Yeah, okay.
I was not there.
You were not there. Before that you were there.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. I have done my mechanical engineering, B in mechanical engineering, BA in linguistics, MA in economics and political sciences, MMS. And I have been associated with Abhijit Astrological Academy, which has got 5 branches in Bombay. I am also a member of Lions Club. I have also originated something called as distance palmistry, something new in palmistry or astrology. I am a holistic management consultant. I do consulting for corporates and individuals in these areas of team building, leadership, stress management, sensitivity development, recruitment and selection. These are the things that I do. And I am also a writer of a drama, Savad Raha Tumcha Hath Boltoy, Beware Your Hand Speaks, which is professionally produced and it runs in the theaters sometimes. Okay. Now when you think of astrologers, what you think of is one of these. Either a popatwala or the sun signs or the planets. This is what the idea you get when you talk about astrology. This is how people react when they come to know that I am an astrologer. Arey, tu astrologer hai? That kind of thing. Tu astrologer is below and not here. Now, there are number of misconceptions about astrology. First thing is, astrology is not fortune telling. Astrology, the Indian word for astrology is Jyotish. It doesn't have to talk about Bhavishya. Jyotish means Jyoti Isha. I keep repeatedly telling this because newspapers don't carry this information. It is not good enough to be carried in a newspaper. Okay? And most of the people keep on mixing astrology with fortune telling. It is not fortune telling. It is not telling you what is going to happen tomorrow. It is telling you something more about today. The Indian word for it is Jyotish, Jyoti Isha. Jyoti means knowledge, Isha means Ichha. The person who is having who wishes to get more knowledge is a Jyotishi. Okay? More overall holistic knowledge. That is Jyotishi. Okay? So that has nothing to do with fortune telling. Then it is all mumbo jumbo, not scientific. Okay, I am not going to be going into that area, whether it is scientific, not scientific, I am not going into it. How can the planets which are so far away can affect us over here? I don't know how it happens. It does happen. I don't know how it happens.
But did you try to find out how it happens?
We are trying to find out. We are not found out yet. No, there are many things. In fact, even for doctors you will see that you are taking a tablet, right? You get a cut here. Yeah, you get a cut here and you take a tablet. Some tablet for that. How does that tablet know or how does that medicine know to go here? And yeah, but it doesn't go all over the body. It goes there. Check. Yeah. No, but it goes here. No, it doesn't go other places. Check it out with the doctor. Check it out with your pathologist or your histologist. Yeah, it has got side effects, but it doesn't mean it goes everywhere. If it were to go everywhere, you will have to take at least 10 times more the drug than what is given today. See, the anacin or aspirin that you are taking is what? 2 grams or 3 grams, not more than that. And still, it takes your headache away. Yeah, and it is going here. It is not going somewhere else. Yeah. So how does the body know where to go? Ask your doctor. Are you a doctor? Have you asked your doctor? Have you ever asked this to your doctor? No. Let us not digress. Let us not digress. I am asking you a direct question. You are not a doctor. Have you asked a doctor? No. Then take it from me. Or go and ask your doctor. As simple as that. Okay. Right. So when you ask that how do I not don't know, I don't know. Accept it. कैसा होता है मालूम नहीं, होता है इतना मालूम है. Sunshine astrology in the newspaper is bogus. Maybe, I don't know. 3 astrologers and 5 different opinions. Yes, it happens. Everybody has his own opinion about what it is like. If you go to 2 doctors or 3 doctors, one doctor might say immediately hospital में admit हो जाओ, other doctor will say take this medicine and go home, third person will say कुछ नहीं होगा, 3 दिन आराम करो हो जाएगा. So there are 3 opinions on anything, so that is not a problem. Lastly, this is the positive part, marriage matching full and compatibility none. होता है, ये भी होता है. People who ask this question, they should be asked, why do love marriages fail? When they know everybody, when they know each other completely, fully, totally before marriage, and sometimes even there is a what you call as a trial marriage, even then when the proper marriage happens, within 2 years or 3 years they separate, तो वो क्यों होता है वो भी पूछना चाहिए इसके जगह.
Not necessarily love marriage.
Yeah, any marriage. Yeah, any marriage. Okay. Astrology is a dynamic study of all astral objects that includes the body. It is a description rather than prescription. It is an observation and experiment driven system. And lastly, it is a system to practice. This is what astrology I am talking about. So if you are going to ask me questions about astrology, this is the basis on which you should ask questions. What other people do is their own reasoning. What other people, वो क्या बोलते हैं, उनका है, ask them their reasoning. This is the basis I am giving. On this basis you can ask me any questions. Okay, later on. So now, duster. Okay, these are the sun signs, moon signs, etc., etc. All these things are there. We are not going to talk about these much. Yeah, what we are going to talk about is the next scene, which is this scene, which was also shown in my last lecture. Yeah, your body is divided into 12 signs. Okay, the head, the neck, the shoulders, the breast, the chest, the intestines, the navel, the reproductory organs, the thighs, the knees, the calves, and the feet. These are the 12 ways astrology divides your body. And each of these areas is assigned a sun sign or a sign, starting with Aries and ending with Pisces. This everybody knows, right? Can we tell us the 12 signs? Aries is first, second? No. Second is Taurus. हाँ बराबर बोलिए. हाँ, first is मेष, वृषभ, मिथुन, कर्क, सिंह, कन्या, तुला, वृश्चिक या धनु, कुंभ, मीन. Yes. Or in English it is Aries, Taurus, Gemini, then Cancer, 5th is Leo, 6th is Virgo, 7th is Libra, 8th is Scorpio, 9th is Sagittarius, 10th is Capricorn, 11th is Aquarius, and 12th is Pisces. Yeah, doesn't matter what nomenclature you use, Indian or Western, doesn't matter. You have to only think in these terms that these 12 signs are assigned to 12 parts of the body. Okay, and with a very good reason. Now all that we have to do is today's topic is about color for health. Yeah. The hands, my drawing is not very good. This is heart. Then this is legs. And these are the feet. So what we have here is this is 1. This is 2, Vrishab. This is 3, upper shoulders. This is 4, Cancer. This is 5, Leo. This is 6, Libra. This is 7. This is 8, here above. This is 9. This is 10, knees. This is 11, calves. And this is 12, the bottom, that is the feet. Clear so far?